Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan from Andhra Public School, Bhola Bazaar. I am your science teacher. Class 6, as you know, the chapter number 7, that is getting to know about plants, in which there are some remaining portion we have to complete it. The topic is shoot system. As I have already completed, as we have completed the topic as the root system. So second one is the shoot system. And what is the shoot system includes? You know very well what is the shoot system. Shoot, that is the upper portion, that is the upper part of the plant found at the ground that we can be able to see very clearly. That is called as a shoot. And whatever the shoot consisting, this is stem, flower, fruits. So the shoot system consisting is stem, flower, fruits, leaves, branches and trunk. These are all that our shoot system include, that is a stem, flower, fruits, leaf and branches, trunk, as well as the seed. These are all the parts of shoot system, in which we have to know very well about that the stem is what. Stem. What is the stem? Stem is the part of a plant which grows. The part of a plant which grows. Number of parts, you can say the stem is the upper part of the plant. That can be, it is the upper part of a plant. This is the upper part of a plant that gives rise to the number of branches. It gives rise the number of branches. It gives rise the number of branches. It is the upper part that gives us the number of branches, and they bears. It bears leaves, flower, fruits, etc. It can bear leaves, flower, fruits, etc. So in which we have to know the two things are there in, as I have earlier told you about. There is a structure shows this one. You can see this is the part that contains this could be a part, and you know very well these are the where they can be this structure denoted. This one is called nodes. It is a part of the stem. This is the nodes, and the spade are the interval, fixed interval in which there. This one is called as internodes. So this one is nodes and internodes. So what is the nodes and internodes? Nodes, the point at which the branches come out. This is the branch, this is the point. Nodes are there on which the branches come in. From which the branches arise or branches comes out is known as node. This one is called node. What is the internode? The part of a stem between two nodes. So internode is what? Internodes is the part of the space between two nodes. This space is called as a internode. It is a part of a stem as well. Next is what? Apical bud. This is what we call. That is the apical bud. And this one is lateral bud. Apical bud and lateral bud. So what is the apical and lateral buds? Apical buds are those that grows on the tip of the plant, or the apical portion of the plant. That is, it is the tip portion, that is the apical portion. Here is the bud grows. That one is called as the apical buds. And some of the other buds are arise and the nodes are at the lateral part of the plant, at the stem. That is called as the lateral buds, or it is also called as auxiliary buds. This one is also called as a auxiliary bud. You can see the buds are also present at the point on which, from where the leaves arise. This bud is called as a. So we can say what is the mean of auxiliary buds. So auxiliary buds are those that can be, the buds are present. The buds are also present at the point on which, from which the leaves are arise. This one is called lateral buds or auxiliary bud. They give rise to the branches and leaves. It is the place from which the leaves and branches coming out. So the next one is trunk. What is the trunk? Trunk is actually what? The trunk is the actually stem. When it is get hard, woody and thick, that one is most rigid. So that one is called as the stem, which is more strong. It is what? When the stem grows into the thick, woody, hard structure, then it is known as a trunk. In most tree, the trunk is covered with a bark. This bark, it is covered with a bark, and this which protects the trunk. That bark are protect the trunk as well for any external cleavage or external injuries. So this is all about the stem. Function of stem we have to study. Function of functions of stem. What is the function of stem? So the function of stem is to remain stand straight and give support. Stem and give support. Next one. Stem bears important part. It bears important part. Important parts like branch, leaves, flower and fruits. Number 3. Number 3 is transport water, minerals, transport water, minerals and other substance and other substance from the roots to the all parts of the plant. All parts of the plant. This is the functions. One important point is there remain. The young shoot part, the young shoot carries out photosynthesis process. This is all about the function of shoot, function of stem. Next is the next one is modification of stem. Stem modification. Modified stem get modified and helpful in a different criteria, like when this stem modified, it is stored some plant the stem grows underground and is stored. It grows underground. It grows underground and form. When it grows underground, that and function as a storage of a food and function as storage of a food. Storage system. Some of these can be stored, act as a storage system. Stem modified into the tendrils. Some of the stem modified into tendrils. modified to tendrils that make a support to erect of the plant. Erect of the plant straight. It is helpful for spreading the plants. Why? Because such type of a plant in which the tendrils are present, they cannot be stand properly or erect properly. So it is a supporting part that can be helping for erection and for climbing. This can be helpful for the climbing as well. Next is thick and fleshy stem. Thick and fleshy. Thick and fleshy. Third one, stem modified into thick and fleshy. For what? In case of a cactus, you can see in cactus the stem get thicker and fleshy, which is very important to reduce the amount of water. Why? Because this is found in a desert area and can reduce the loss of water through its stem. Why? Because there is no leaves are found, so the stem get modified into the thick and fleshy, which is very important for the prevention of loss of extra water, and which is very helpful for not to supply the not to loss of the water to its body, and it is a very thick, so it cannot lose easily. So this one is the modification of the stem. Some other use of the like multiplication of plants. Some stem get modified, or it is some of the stem get cutting into the small pieces from which the multiplication process can be done. That means multiplication of the plant can be go through the cutting of such type of a plant part and goes into the new individual. So these are all the form of modification of a stem. Next topic is leaf. Next, the leaf. It is a leaf. This part is termed as petiole. This one is known as petiole. This is leaf blade that one is lamina. This one is called midrib. This is called vein, and this one is called as valvulate. This is all about the stalk. So these are all about the leaf, and in next video we will continue to the leaf again. Thank you for being here. Watch and comment if you have any doubt.